Welcome to Mrs. Anderson's Nutrition and a special edition of the Nutrition Through the Ages series. In this episode, we're going to look at drug and nutrient interactions. Information in this video has been provided by Melissa Dempsey, a clinical pharmacist working in both inpatient and outpatient pharmacy settings. By the time adults are 50 and 60 years old, 75% are taking prescription meds daily. By the time we reach 80, 90% of us are often taking multiple prescription meds. And many people don't know how medications can impact their nutrition and how some foods can alter the medication's effectiveness. When a medication enters into our body, 4 things happen to it using our normal body processes: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and lastly, excretion. The first step is absorption. This occurs for any oral medication, and it begins in the mouth and progresses as it moves through the intestinal tract. Drugs are developed to ensure where and when a medication dissolves in the body. Absorption is a key area where we see many drug and nutrient interactions existing. Some vitamins and minerals require a low pH, meaning an acidic environment, to properly absorb into your bloodstream. The most common examples of this are iron, vitamin B12, vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Whereas some medications, such as proton pump inhibitors, increase the pH of the stomach to help relieve heartburn or the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease. This increase does have the possibility of leading to nutrient deficiencies where a low pH is needed for absorption. The next step all medications go through in the body is distribution. This is where the drug has been absorbed into the bloodstream and is being circulated around to find its target of action. Along the way, it will inevitably go through your liver. While in the liver, we call this step metabolism. Similar to how our bodies metabolize food to break down into nutrients, the liver is breaking down compounds to be excreted. The job of the liver is to filter out any toxins entering your body, including medications. And one way it does this is to change the toxin to be inactive by altering its structure and making it more water soluble so that it can be excreted in the urine. The liver is home to thousands of enzymes that have different targets to metabolize anything it can come in contact with. But there is one group of enzymes known as CYP that are the biggest players when it comes to food and drug interactions. Maybe you've been told that you should avoid grapefruit with certain medications, and that reason is because of metabolism. One chemical component of grapefruit, along with other fruits and juices in this family, is known to inhibit one of these enzymes. And because the grapefruit is inhibiting the enzyme, you may have taken too much medication for your system, anywhere from 1.5 to 15 times more than the recommended amount. Excretion is the final step. This is where we can eliminate compounds through either urine or feces. And the kidneys play an important role in vitamin, mineral, and water excretion and reabsorption. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins can all be impacted by a variety of medications that have targets within the kidneys. Blood pressure medications such as diuretics and ACE inhibitors can result in patients having too much or too little potassium in their blood. And since potassium is a key electrolyte associated with heart rhythm, this can be potentially detrimental to patients. Also, it's worth noting that within the older adult population, studies have shown that polypharmacy, or taking more than 5 medications at the same time, is often associated with a decrease in nutritional status. And that about does it. A big thank you to Melissa Dempsey, a clinical pharmacist who provided the information for this video. Please check out the link below to read the companion blog, which is full of much more information than we could have fit here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.